Morning, YouTube. It's about 11:30 at night, or morning, sorry. This is a Husqvarna 76. It's a Mamba. How do you pronounce it? Mojo Mega. It's a Husqvarna. It's a weed whacker. It's a straight chaff weed whacker that my boss gave me. What the problem with this is, it does not want to stay running when you apply the throttle. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to put some Seafoam in the gas. I got more gas right here, and let it run for a while and see how it cleans up. If you're wondering what that wire is on next to the air cleaner, it is to keep the choke from going to half and to full. So this will be the first time I'll be using Seafoam. It runs, but it dies when you apply the throttle. Let's do a cold start. You can see it bogs. Okay, you saw it run. You can see what the problem is. I'll let it run for about half hour with the Seafoam in it, just to get it nice and clean. Be right back. I'm back. It took a little bit longer than I expected. I think I might have known what is the problem. See that check valve right there? It's not seating properly. So that's the problem. What I'm going to end up doing is replacing this and the main diaphragm. I'm not going to touch anything else. that screen is still in pretty good nick. Keep in mind this weed whacker is a 1997, so it's close to 20. It's 19 years. Actually, this was made the year after I was born, and I was born in 96. This was made in 97, so it's 20. Or it's gonna basically be 20 years next year. I'll be 21. I ran Seafoam through it. That sorta didn't. It sorta helped, but not really. I figured out what the deal was with this. There was too many lock nuts and stuff in here. I just got rid of the spacer because if I tighten that up, it's plenty tight. So I could just put the little round piece in it, just act as a nice spacer. But I don't need it. This is nice and tight, as is. I just put this back on, so I have majority of things together. I'm gonna leave this carburetor off because yeah, I need to get a new one of these gaskets. Keep in mind this engine probably hasn't had new diaphragms put in this. It's a Walbro WT380. Up there is B7. This is the primer line right here. This is the main fuel inlet. This is your high and low. Yeah, so this just needs new diaphragms. Keep in mind it's well over 15. It's more like 19 and a half. I think this is, actually no, this isn't the first diaphragm carb I've dealt with. My surplus weed whacker motor has a diaphragm. My generator has a float bowl. So I'll just put this diaphragm, this gasket diaphragm in, just because I think that's what the problem with this, because if that isn't seating all the way when you throttle it up, like quickly open the throttle like that, and takes a while to bog down, that probably means that one valve is not closing all the way, so it's not letting all the yeah. So I'm starting to enjoy these short videos. Yeah, so just 2 new gaskets. I'm also going to replace all the fuel, why did I take this off, or what? Yeah, I'm going to replace the fuel line also. I'll show you how crusty the lines are. Just 2 bolts. I accidentally stripped this. That's why I had to take spacers out. That line I'm leaving. Those 2 lines I will be replacing because of course they're crusty. I'm gonna keep the gasket. Was there a 4th line or no? Yeah, so these 2 lines, this one has some marks in it, so, and yeah, these ends are pretty worn out. I don't, yeah, no you can't, oh there you can see it. See that thing moving in there? That's the piston. This is the throttle cable. I'm probably going to replace the spark plug, probably not. Yeah, I'm going to drain the oil out of here, throw it back in my can, just so this thing is empty. Yeah, this does have a filter on it, so, yep. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video where I put this back on and get this thing running again. Talk later. Bye.